I am going to show you how you can make this poster just using Pixellab and Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, you choose your page size and background color. In this case, I will select my background color as white. Now I will add a rectangular shape and make its color a little deeper than the color of the background so that a perspective can be created in the background. Now, to give a life to this background, I am going to use a wall texture overlay and reduce its opacity. Remember, everything I am using or will use later will be provided in the form of a zip file through a Google Drive link. I will now add some text to make the background more interesting. The font I am using here is called Mobile.So Bold. See carefully what I'm doing here. Now I will take 3 more copies of this text and merge them. Now I will start adding our subject and all the other elements. I am adjusting here in my own way. You can adjust the rest as you like while making it. To smooth the edges of the subject, I will now add this glow PNG and change its color to the color of the rectangular shape. So our background is done. Now we will add a subject to our foreground. To make it look realistic, I will reduce its opacity with a shadow PNG so that a separation is created between our foreground and background. I am adding some optional effects or overlay. I do it my way. There is no problem if you add it or not. So our Pixellab work is finished. Let's jump into Lightroom. What else can I say here? Simple, just increase the texture, clarity, and contrast and do some basic adjustments, and give your design a tone as you like. Just like I am doing my own. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.